Everyone, welcome to Points of Pharma. Today, the topic is GMP, that is Good Manufacturing Practice. Here we are discussing the GMP of Ayurveda, Siddha, and Unani drugs as specified in Schedule T of Drug Rules 1945. And today we are in series 7 of the topic. The series 1 of the topic was about the introduction of Schedule T. The series 2 was about the infrastructural requirement of factory building. In series 3 we have discussed about the store. In series 4 we have discussed about the working space. The series 5th was about the health and hygiene, and series 6 was about the machinery and equipment. Today in series 7 we are discussing about the documents and record, that is the series 7th is about the documentation. Documentation is a broad term having different meaning in different aspects. In common sense, documentation is the activity of recording facts related to a particular subject. Documentation is also the instruction that tells how to use a piece of equipment. Coming to document. Document is the official paper or written material that provide proof of something. In Schedule T, the documents required are include batch manufacturing records, distribution record, record of market complaint, and standard operating procedure. Batch manufacturing record or BMR. The Schedule T says the licensee shall maintain the BMR of each batch of drug manufactured. The BMR is required for both the classical as well as for the patent and proprietary medicine. Here the point is to know what should be written in the BMR. The content of BMR include the list of raw material and their quantities obtained from a store, the test conducted during various stages of manufacture, testing of a finished good, and packaging record shall be maintained in the BMR. The records of dates, manpower, machine and equipment use are also required to be maintained in the batch manufacturing record. The detail of transfer of manufactured drug to finished good store, including dates and quantity, are also written in BMR. Here the point to be noted is that only after the manufactured drug have been verified to accepted quality, it shall be allowed clear for sale. One point here to be noted is that the record of BMR shall be duly signed by production and quality control person. So this is all about the batch manufacturing record. Coming to the distribution record. It is known that when the manufactured drug have been tested and found of accepted quality, it shall be allowed clear for shipment, distribution and sale. And the record of sale and distribution of each batch of drugs shall be maintained. The duration of record keeping should be the date of the expiry of the batch. Here the point is to know what is the need of distribution record. The distribution record shall be maintained in order to facilitate the prompt and complete tracing of batch if necessary. Coming to the market complaint, the legal methodology package commodity rule says every package shall bear the name, address, telephone number, and email address of the person who can be contacted or the office which can be contacted in case of consumer complaint. Now coming to the Schedule T. The Schedule T says record all the complaint received regarding the product sold in the market in a register. Here the point to know is that what should be written in the market complaint register. The market complaint register shall record all the data received on market complaint, the investigation carried out by the manufacturer, and the corrective action initiated to prevent the reoccurrence of such market complaint. The market complaint register is required to be reported to the licensing authority as the Schedule T says. Once in a period of 6 months, the manufacturer shall submit the market complaint register to licensing authority, and the market complaint register shall be available for inspection during any inspection of the premises. This is all about the market complaint register. Coming to the register for adverse drug reaction. Adverse drug reaction generally means any noxious change which is suspected to be due to a drug at dose normally used in man, which requires treatment or decrease in dose or indicates caution in the future use of the same drug. Now coming to the Schedule T about adverse drug reaction. It says adverse reaction resulting from the use of Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani drugs shall be maintained in a separate register. The manufacturer shall investigate the adverse reaction to find out whether such reactions are already reported in the literature or such reaction is due to any defect in the product or it is a new observation. Coming to the standard operating procedure, the Schedule T says each licensee shall evolve the methodology and procedure for following the prescribed process of manufacture of drug which should be documented as manual. The Schedule T also says the standard operating procedure should be laid down for every machine for cleaning, maintaining and its performance. The point is to know what is SOP. In short, standard operating procedure is the written instruction describing the step-by-step process that must be followed for proper performing routine activity. The SOP should be brief and easy to understand with a focus on how things should be done rather than what need to be done. The SOP should be analyzed and updated to guarantee it remains relevant to the standard and requirement of organization. The key point that should be answered in the SOP include what does each role do, who perform what role, what is the goal or outcome of each person's role, and has what needed to happen been explained clearly. About today's topic. Hope you enjoyed the session. Soon we will meet with another topic. Thank you.